Yo, YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Small Pound back with another video by your head top.
Don't know say with they are.
Yo,
Don't know say with
dog,
they are.
AJ in the building.
Don't know say with they are.
One of the long time from time start timing.
The long awaited guest.
Woy oy.
In reach. No worry about it.
Woy oy. Alright, man, what's the move for today? What we doing?
Man, you know, we gotta go out, you know, we trying to touch road, we trying to catch views, we trying to see sights, you know, so we basically gonna probably head down to the downtown Miami area, obviously. When
there you go, bro. Mask intact too.
When, you feel me, we got the sleeve mask on this side.
Okay.
You feel me? We sleeve mask it because I'm trying to protect my neck.
And you know, I got the Japanese special, the easy breezy, beautiful, not
Cup of
covered.
fierce.
Hey, what you? Straight like that.
Yeah.
Oh, let me fix myself. Hey, the boy came and dropped off the official Cane's World merch hardcover. So if y'all don't know, my boy is an author. Okay. Okay. Give me your author face, bro. Give me your best author. I write. Okay. Yo. Hey, shout out. Appreciate it. Cane's World. If you don't have it, go cop. Link in the description below. Alright, so boom, what time is it? Mimosas, breakfast.
Oh, it's got pulp. Okay. That's real orange juice.
Yeah, that's good. Freshly squeezed.
Yeah.
You already know, big bottle. You see it. Holographic Cane's World. Alright, so the food just arrived. I got the triple egg omelet, sausage, potatoes, baked pancake. What you got? This man got a burrito from God.
Thank you.
Thank you. Burrito from up in the heavens. Hey, go ahead and bite that.
Yeah, bro, I'm not even prepared for that, bro.
Burrito's huge. Lord. Alright, currently out here in South Beach, Miami. What's up? People out here getting their run in. I like seeing people exercise, not being lazy like me. We got a little food baby right now. You see the Small Pound shirt. Okay. AJ taking pictures. This is what the beach currently looks like. What time is it? You know the time? Let's see. What time is it?
Go ahead, walk that way.
This way?
Walk that way.
Oh boy, oh brother. Doing a slight photo shoot, not too deep. So currently we just took it out to the pier, all right? Pier's over there, water in the backdrop, breeze is blowing, it feels good. Water's a little murky right here, but if you look out, you can see through. I don't see any fish, but you can see through the water, definitely. Maybe I'll plan a scuba diving trip. That would be pretty cool. I haven't scuba dived since March, right before the pandemic. I don't know.